ground along East River Road on Grand Island, setting off a series of fires and explosions. Several persons are injured, and yet there is no confirmed number.
This is an update on a video I shot in 2019 about Lake Erie ice. I'm out here, it's January 1st, 2022, wondering where the ice is. And again, it's almost t-shirt weather out here. For the entire month of December, it's been well above freezing, if not downright warm. And I guess global warming is real. Climate change, whatever you want to call it, it's nothing but open water. I went out last winter and filmed out there on the breakwall for the storm, for the waves. But the bottom line is, this 2022 update, there's no ice. It's pretty sad.
And finally, this story from the Mount Palomar Observatory in California.
We folks on Venus had the same idea. We got it several years ago.
In January of 2019, I took out my new drone and flew it out over the edge of the ice here in Buffalo, New York. And it was right in this spot. It was dramatic. The temperature was 5 degrees Fahrenheit, it was windy, the sky was blue, and the ice was 50 feet high. Since that time, I've been wanting to go out and film some more of the ice that forms here along the Great Lakes. But it hasn't happened. And instead, 2 years later, the temperature right now is 32 degrees. There is no ice out there. It's gone. 2 years I've been waiting to film what I caught. Growing up here in Buffalo, every winter you could count on January and February to be mostly single digits in temperature, Fahrenheit. And instead, we've got no snowpack, one snowstorm, and temperatures that are averaging around 30 degrees. The question I'm asking is, where did my winter go? Where did the weather that I've known my whole life disappear to? Look around and ask yourself, have you ever seen winters this warm in your life? And I'll tell you for one thing, I haven't. It's warm enough that I'm wearing this shirt. And this isn't winter. I'm looking out there and there's nothing. So my first thought is, well, we can get some palm trees and plant them right here along the shoreline. Real estate will be more valuable. We'll have a lot more beach space. Just think of it. But also think of this. West Nile virus is now in the area up here. Tropical diseases like malaria will move further north. Water supplies will start to run out. The glaciers are melting. That is change. That is climate change. But what I know, and my question is, where's my winter? This is Buffalo. We're supposed to be coated in snow right now. We're supposed to be famous for this.
We recommend this to the space buffs and the jigsaw puzzle addicts.
And finally, this story from the Mount Palomar Observatory in California. The cause of the alarm is reportedly a large meteor that has struck at the vicinity of Grand Island Boulevard.
Well, I was sent as a kind of advance scout. You know these cigarettes, do you call them? They taste wonderful.
Ahorre, no compre sin visitar Emporio.